What's up everybody, this is Mari from Mari's Review Channel. Today I'm going to cover the Samsung Gear 360 Cam. Stay tuned! Okay, inside this package is the new Samsung Gear 360 camera. So let's go ahead and open up this box so I can show you how awesome this camera is. Okay, as you can see, it says Gear 360 by Samsung. Capture Everything by Samsung Gear 360. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the box. As you can see, here's a thank you for purchasing the Note 8. Those who purchased the Note 8 actually got this for free. So let's go ahead and get into the box. We're going to open this up right here. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the package. And as you can see here, here's the 360 camera. Looks very nice. Right here is your instruction manual. Okay, as you can see, the instruction manual will tell you how to run all this. Okay, let's go ahead and show you what the contents are. Here is your wall USB cord. Okay, and right here you have a little sleeve to cover your camera. It's a little gray sleeve. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside. Okay, in the box, this is the arm strap. If you want it to sit on a table, you will go ahead and set it in this. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the camera. Very nice looking camera. As you can see, it has dual lens, hence the 360, made by Samsung. And at the bottom of this, you can actually sit this on a tripod. And you put the wrist strap right here. Here's your power button and your Bluetooth connect menu button. This one did come with an external SD card. This is where you're going to put the SD card, right in here. And this little drawer here, you just pop out and put your SD card in here. Okay, this bottom one is where you actually charge it. Here is your power button and your Bluetooth button. Overall, it looks really nice, a very good sleek design. There's your record button, and also where you snap the pictures. You can see the dual lens. Okay. That's where you would take your pictures from. Okay, we're going to go ahead and charge this now. This does use a C port charging, just like the Note 8. As you can see, it shows here that it's charging. See, this is a C port, same as the Samsung Note 8. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and plug this in and let this charge a bit so we can go through the menu settings and to see what the clarity of this 360 cam is. Okay, we got it fully charged up here. Let's go ahead and push the power button. We're going to hold it down until you hear a little noise. As you can see, it's saying the time. You want to go ahead and we want to connect it. As you can see, the menu, it'll say Bluetooth, time lapse, video looping, HDR, settings. So we're going to go ahead and click on settings. You're going to click the red button. We're going to go ahead and set if you want dual lens or single lens, timer, power off, the volume, So we're going to go into switch the front lens, which is the single lens, and then there's a dual lens. So you just push this red button here to make your selection. Okay, and then now we're going to go ahead and take some video and some still images so you can see the quality. And here's some quick video to show you with a single lens how clear this quality is. Okay, now we're going to do still images so you can see how good the quality is of taking pictures with this 360 cam.